Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory with only 839 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with Woodcraft rear sets, GB Racing engine cover, Rizoma adjustable clutch and brake levers, Evotech axle sliders, Evotech frame sliders, Evotech radiator guard set, and Evotech rear stand spools. The Tuono V4 factory was built to thrive on the street or track, showcasing Aprilia's race-winning prowess in street-legal form. Powered by a 1077cc four-cylinder engine, the Tuono puts 175 horsepower and 89 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 407 pounds and has the 32.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.